This print was perfect. 40 flawless layers and then this. Yeah. Bolt's not taking it well either. So while Bolt is having a little bit of a meltdown, let me start by explaining this. Plastic comes out the nozzle at 200 degrees and instantly starts cooling, and cooling plastic shrinks. The bottom layer is already stuck to the bed. The new hot layer wants to contract, but it can't. It's glued down. So it pulls. And as it pulls, until the corner wins and rips itself off the bed. That is warping. Not your slicer, not your filament, thermodynamics. The fix is quite boring. Heated bed and enclosure, slow the cooling right down, give plastic time to make peace with shrinking.